Wow. So Newport, I don't know why I'm saying this, but Newport has new areas now. Nice new garden. That makes you feel like you're just in the middle of a nice small nature area, and then you're just surrounded by trains, by transports. Also, also, to that person who says about the VR technical college gates thing or something on Reddit post. Yeah, here. Not this. Huh? I would see. Yeah. Yeah, but as you can see, it can be opened. Do. Yeah. This place is very wonderful. Oh, do. I was in Newport a moment ago, and now I'm here. RIP to my fellow soldiers. Magnificent car. Wait, now I only have access to all of this. This is a great thing. Barbecue. A helicopter. You can see in this. I think you can see it back in the sky. But that's a helicopter. I'm going to end the video off here. Come to Newport, please. Please.